All right, let's talk about biotechnology. It's this incredible field of science, right? But here's the twist. It's organized by color, and believe it or not, it has a seriously dark side.
So, that leads to this huge question. How can one single science be responsible for both life-saving vaccines and terrifying weapons? It's a crazy paradox, and that's what we're going to get into today.
Okay, so what is biotechnology anyway? Well, think of it like this. It's where we use biology and tech to tweak the genetics of plants and animals. And why do we do that? The goal is to tackle some of our biggest problems. Things like food insecurity or even climate change.
So first, let's look at the positive side of things, the bright colors, if you will. This is where biotechnology is really all about building a better world.
The whole field is actually color-coded to make it easier to understand. First up, you've got red biotech. That's all about medicine. Think vaccines, stem cells, all that good stuff. Then there's white and gray biotech, which is more industrial. We're talking creating new chemicals or biofuels. Green biotech, that's all about agriculture, making plants that can resist pests and help us feed everyone. Blue biotech dives into the ocean, using marine resources for things like new medicines. And finally, you have gold biotech, which is all the computer stuff, bioinformatics, analyzing DNA, basically the data side of biology.
And get this isn't all brand new stuff. The way we make cheese, which is a process that's been around for like 6,000 years, that's actually a form of what they call yellow biotechnology. So yeah, this isn't all just happening in some futuristic lab.
Okay, but here's where things get complicated. With all this power, there are obviously huge risks. So now we have to look at the other side of the coin, the darker side, and the rules that try to keep it all in check.
And this is where two very different colors really clash. You have violet biotech, which is all about the ethics and the laws. It's the guardrails, right? It's supposed to make sure everything is done safely. But then you have dark biotech, and that is using this incredible science for really, really bad stuff.
And just so we're clear on how serious this is, the goal of dark biotech is literally, and I'm quoting here, creating pathogens used in warfare. That's heavy stuff. It really shows you what's at stake.
So that brings us right back to where we started. This is a science that can both heal and harm, create and destroy. So the big question is, do all the incredible benefits actually outweigh the terrifying risks? There's no easy answer to that, is there? But it's definitely something to think about.